Another thing I would say is just that this word rights is really important in the open banking debate and starts to, I think, bleed into the four areas that we talked about before. If you think about open banking as sort of an extension of, or maybe a subsection of, this broader idea, normative idea, that consumers should have rights over their information, their data, how it's used, what entities can do with it, then I think it's really important to really recognize this, again, isn't like the normal value exchange on the internet, but also it's probably important to recognize that data sharing and data portability and open banking are great, but we shouldn't have too much path dependency here. One thing that was very different in the US context than other open banking regimes was that we didn't have a national data privacy law to work from and refer back to as we were writing this. The fact that Congress hasn't passed a national data privacy law is a huge failing and something that I do still think needs to be done. And so if we really want to talk about consumer data rights, there's a lot more that needs to be done. I would also note that not only do I think we need new laws on that front or updated laws on that front, I think we probably are getting close to what I would almost call a CFPB moment for the digital economy, where you might need a new regulator who specializes in all of this, because you have folks like the CFPB and the FTC and DOJ and others addressing digital economy issues piecemeal. But you don't have anyone whose job it is in a centralized fashion to do this and do it well, which is the exact same problem that led to the creation of the CFPB after the financial crisis, because it was nobody's job to look out for consumers, right?